everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a vegetarian pizza and I'm going to show you how to make the dough. For the dough we will need 400 gram of flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast. I'm using dry yeast, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar and a little bit of olive oil, and add warm water gradually. Keep adding till all the mixture comes together. We then prepare the tabletop to knead the flour. Empty all here. So you'll have to knead for about 5 minutes. So the dough is now ready. Just make it into a round ball like this. Put it in a clean bowl and cover with a black cloth. Leave it for 1 hour. So this dough has been resting for about an hour. It's now ready. I'm going to put it in the pizza pan. This is a pizza pan and I've sprinkled some dry flour on it so it doesn't stick to it. Let's put it here and just flatten it. Use a fork to just make a few holes. Right, I'm going to put some tomato sauce that I prepared earlier. I've used a chopped tomato and a few basil leaves to blend. I've also added salt to it. Just apply it to the base. Then add mushroom. Just slices of mushroom all around it. Followed by tomatoes. These are plum tomatoes. I've just sliced them into halves. Adding the tomatoes, we'll just put a few leaves of basil. Just give it a bit of color. Finally, sprinkle some olive oil in this. And then finally, we'll put the mozzarella slices. That is now ready to go in the oven. I'm going to preheat the oven for 5 minutes and then we'll put it in there. The oven is now hot. We're just going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes and then the temperature will have to be on 450 degrees, but since this is a gas oven, we're going to put it on setting 6 for 15 minutes. Hi guys, it's been 15 minutes and the pizza looks like it's ready, so I'm just going to switch off the oven and take the pizza out. And we are back. As you can see, the pizza is now ready and we're going to cut it and serve it. It looks lovely and it's well cooked. I hope you really enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.